We are turning our attention now towards other news. GIFT City's International Financial Services Center, or IFSC, now hosts over 1,034 registered entities, including 38 banks holding assets worth 100.14 billion dollars. The center spans nearly 1,000 acres with planned expansion to more than 3,300 acres, integrating SEZ and domestic tariff area zones, and is conceived as an integrated smart city combining commercial, residential and civic infrastructures rather than merely a financial district. The GIFT City idea dates back to 2007, gaining momentum after 2011 through a public-private joint venture. Beyond banking, the ecosystem includes capital markets, fund management, insurance, fintech, asset leasing for aircraft and ships, and global in-house centers. The number of companies operating from IFSC grew from 82 in October 2020 to 409 by July 2025. Joining us on the broadcast is Dr. Sharath Kohli, a senior economist, to help us understand this. Dr. Kohli, a very good afternoon to you. We are trying to understand this entire concept of this GIFT City and how it has now expanded its horizons. We are getting to know of the milestones that it is achieving, Dr. Kohli.
Good afternoon, Shivani. Good afternoon to the viewers of NewsX. Indeed, GIFT City is coming out as a model financial center. In fact, it started with a financial center now, as you rightly said. It's becoming a major global hub within Gujarat, for that matter. You know, this is cities handling over 400 companies, started in a very small way some time ago. And, you know, this is managing funds of about 90,000 crore rupees as of now, in the form of either management of capital markets, or you have direct fund managers with AUM, as we call them, assets under management. You know, that's how it adds up to 90,000 crores. There are insurance companies, there are companies which are into financial innovation. We call them as Fintech companies, you know, who establish their base there. There are also companies who have leased, long-term lease of aircrafts and shipping units, which require big infrastructure and which are very exclusive in nature, these ship leasing and aircraft leasing companies. Then there are also global in-house centers. You know, the GIFT City offers you excellent connectivity internationally. And, not many people know, probably people who are not connected with Indian stock markets. I must inform that earlier, when the Indian stock markets used to open, they used to open by taking queues in the morning, because Singapore is ahead of our time. It used to be called SGX index. Now, ever since GIFT Nifty has come, we no more follow Singapore's trade times SGX Nifty. We follow GIFT Nifty. In fact, every morning, if you open early in the morning when the stock markets have not opened before 9:15 a.m., the markets take cues from GIFT Nifty. So it has assumed this is becoming a global financial center now, not just for India, on the lines of the kind you have in Dubai, on the lines you have in Singapore, or you have a financial center in London and New York. So I think this is going to give a global footprint to the Indian financial world, also give global footprint to the Indian companies and overseas companies who are establishing base in India, which was commonly either Bangalore or Gurugram. I think Ahmedabad, or GIFT City, shall I say, is getting a new identity as a global financial and service center, for that matter, Shivani.